Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Marios Hadjikyriacos. The Reserve Bank of Australia slashed its benchmark interest rate earlier today for the second time in 2 meetings, indicating that the easing of monetary policy will help reduce unemployment and boost inflation. The move was widely signaled in advance and largely priced in ahead of the event, so even though the Aussie dropped a little on the decision, it quickly recovered all its losses to trade even higher. The currency's resilience may be owed to the RBA appearing somewhat reluctant to commit to any further cuts, noting instead that any more moves will depend on the quality of incoming data. As for the Aussie, the picture seems to be turning cautiously positive. Another RBA cut by December is priced in with an approximately 80% chance, and given that the Fed is now also preparing to ease along with the ECB, monetary policy is not to be a clear negative force for the Aussie anymore. The world's reserve currency enjoyed a good run on Monday, outperforming all its major peers as traders scaled back bets for an aggressive 50 basis points rate cut at the Fed's upcoming policy meeting. The move was triggered by the ISM manufacturing PMI for June, which declined by less than expected, calming some nerves and confirming that the situation is not dire enough for the Fed to shock markets with more easing than expected. A typical 25 basis points rate cut is still fully priced in for the July gathering, but the probability for a 50 basis points has declined to a mere 15%. Assuming no major disappointments in the non-manufacturing PMI tomorrow or the payrolls report on Friday, that percentage may drift towards zero as the actual meeting draws closer, helping the dollar to extend its latest rebound. As for today's highlights, the calendar will be dominated by more PMI releases for June. The UK construction index is due out today, while China's Caixin services survey will follow overnight. In Europe, negotiations to decide who will get the EU's top jobs will resume today. While not so relevant for markets per se, who is chosen and from which countries could be crucial in deciding who succeeds Draghi at the helm of the ECB. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com.